This tutorial is for 5th grade, Module 3, Lesson 8b. This lesson is similar to the previous lesson, only this time we are going to subtract on the open number line. The problem says use the number line to subtract, and we are going to start with subtracting 2 minus 1 and 3/8. This time I'm going to start with my 2, but I'm going to move it to the right side of the number line, and I'm going to work backwards in order to show my subtraction. I'm going to start by subtracting the 1 whole, so I'll show a jump backwards, and I'll show that I'm subtracting 1, and that lands me at 1 whole. Then I need to subtract 3/8. That means that the section between 0 and 1 needs to be divided into eighths. I'm going to divide it into fourths first, and then divide each of those, so I have eighths. Now I just need to jump backwards 3/8. There's 1, 2, 3. I've subtracted 3/8. Now I need to know where I landed here. So if I start at 0, I can count each eighth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/8. Another way to look at it is the halfway point would be 4/8, and one more would be 5/8. So since I landed on 5/8 on the number line, 2 minus 1 and 3/8 is 5/8. Here's another example. This time we have 4 minus 2 and 2/7. Again, I'll start on the right side of the number line, and we'll start at 4. I'm going to begin by subtracting 2. So I'll do a big jump and show that I've subtracted 2. That means I land at 2, since 4 minus 2 is 2. Now I need to subtract the 2/7. The next whole number back would be 1 whole, and I know that I need to divide this section into sevenths. There's my sevenths, and I need to hop back 2/7. Since I know the whole section is 7/7, and I went backwards 2, then I know that I landed on 1, because there's my 1 whole, and 5/7 as my final answer. 4 minus 2 and 2/7 is 1, and 5/7. Our final example is 17 minus 15 and 2/3. Again, the beauty of the open number line is I can start my problem anywhere on the number line. So I'm going to start at 17, and we'll put that on the right side. I have to subtract 15 and 2/3. So I'm going to do one big jump to show that I've subtracted 15. 17 minus 15 is 2. Now I have to subtract the 2/3. The next whole number down would be 1 whole, and I need to divide the section between the 1 and the 2 into thirds, and I need to show that I'm going to hop back 2/3. I land at 1 and 1/3. My final answer then is 1 and 1/3.